Welcome to 1778 T-Bird Drive, Front Royal, Virginia. This riverfront property on 7.52 acres is custom-built cedar siding, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an unfinished basement you can easily finish off to double your living space and a rough-in for a future bathroom. Let's take a look inside. This property also has beautiful mountain views on this very private parcel of land. You have different seasons where the beauty changes all the time. This river is really nice. You can walk across the whole entire river if you choose to walk across it. It's easy to go across, so if you have little ones, you don't have to worry about it as much. Also, it's a great fishing, kayaking, canoeing, or you can just grab you a little floating device and a cooler and float down the river to the next boat landing.